In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons inside your blogger posts, transforming simple text into interactive elements that can significantly enhance your blog's user experience. This method is straightforward and incredibly effective, particularly for call-to-action buttons like subscribe now or download. First, you'll need to head over to your Blogger dashboard. Sign into your Blogger account if you haven't done so already, and then navigate to the Posts section in your dashboard. From here, you can either open an existing post you want to edit or start fresh by creating a new post. The option is yours, depending on whether you're working on a current project or initiating a new one. Now, to incorporate a button into your blog post, you'll need to make a crucial switch within your editor. At the top of the post editor, you'll find the option to toggle between Compose View and HTML View. Go ahead and click on HTML View. This might seem a bit intimidating if you're not used to working with code, but don't worry, it involves just a simple piece of HTML. You'll now want to paste a small snippet of code directly into the HTML section of your post. This snippet is what creates the button. Copy and paste the following snippet where you'd like your button to appear. Click here. The code you just pasted is a basic HTML structure for a button. This link is styled to look like a button with inline CSS. Now, let's break down the styling for you. The href attribute is where you'll place the URL you want your button to link to. You'll change https:/yourlinkhere.com to the desired destination. The style attribute contains several properties to give your button a button-like appearance. Display inline block makes it inline with your text, but with block characteristics. The background color is set to a pleasing green, but feel free to change this hex code to match your blog's theme. The color is set to white, ensuring your button text stands out. Padding adds space around the text to make it look generous and clickable. And border radius 5px gives your button those nice rounded corners. After you've inserted and customized your button, switch back to Compose View in the editor to preview how it looks within your post. This is your chance to make any visual adjustments and ensure it aligns perfectly with the rest of your content. And there you have it. You've successfully added a button to your Blogger post. Experiment with different colors, text, URLs, and padding to see what resonates best with your audience.